All right, guys, in order to convert to degrees, when you're given degrees, minutes, and seconds, what you need to have is first off a calculator, and then you need to know kind of which way you want to put this into a certain formula. And that certain formula is you're going to keep the degrees the same, just 267 in this case, right? But then the minutes and the seconds, these have to be kind of divided by certain parts. Just like a clock is divided up into minutes and further divided up into seconds, in terms of like the whole hour, if you think of it that way. This 12 has to be divided by 60. And then the 0, if there'd be something here, right now it's just 0, so there's not really going to add or subtract anything here. But anyway, if there was a number, we'd have to actually divide this by 3,600, okay? And since this is positive, all of our signs in here are going to be positive. So in the calculator, what you have to do is do 267 plus 12 divided by 60. You can do this all in one line, plus, and then this next one's not going to do anything for me, but 0 divided by 3,600. Okay, and what this gives me is just 267.2, and then this is all going to be in just degrees. All right, here's kind of a visual representation of what that looks like. If we start at our standard position, it opens up counterclockwise all the way down here to about 267.2 in terms of degrees. Number 2 says negative 420 degrees, 52 minutes, 3 seconds. So this one goes past 360, and this time it's negative. So we're going around kind of clockwise this way. It goes around past once. This would be 360 if I go all the way around once, but then a little bit more to be about 420 plus a little bit more in our negative angle, okay? Now, because this one is a negative, we're still going to do divided by 60 and 3,600, but this time we're going to have those negatives in between. So negative 420 minus 52 over 60 minus 3 over 3,600, all right? And then you can type that in exactly like it looks. Negative 420 minus 52 divided by 60 minus 3 divided by 3,600. Hit enter, and this time I get negative 420, all right, 0.8675, okay? Now, if you didn't put the minuses in here, what you would end up with, like if I go back in my calculator, I'm gonna put my first one as a negative, but then my others, if I leave as plus, you'll notice here, this actually gets you back to negative 419. So that should throw up red flags saying that's not right, right? I'm already to negative 420 in my angle. I have to go a little bit more negative, right? It has a little bit more to this, to these degrees. So we're going farther away, which means I have to end up with something a little bit more than negative 420. Hey guys, if this video helped you out, in this video, we're going to change it not to degrees, but from degrees to minutes and seconds. Check it out.